Excellent. It's good to see a crowd coming in. So I'm Jenna Beth Ferguson with the Healthcare Facility Symposium. Welcome everyone to our webinar series this afternoon, which has been sponsored by Best Bath. I'm going to say this tongue in cheek. We do love bringing you content throughout the year, like today's webinar and the leaflet newsletter, but much more comfortable for in-person events, which is this September 24th to 26th in Austin, Texas. Again, I do apologize for the technical difficulties. We're glad to have you all with us. Just a couple housekeeping announcements. We will be submitting this course for an AIA credit to those of you that provided your AIA number when you registered. We'll also be emailing out certificates of completion to those who requested them. I'll put more information about that in the chat. We will be doing Q&A towards the end of today's webinar, but if you have any questions throughout, please feel free to enter us at the end of the webinar. All right, so now without further ado, I am going to turn it over to Anna Ortiz with Best Bath, and she will get us started today. Anna?
Thank you. Thank you so much, and welcome everybody. And again, thank you for being here and for the difficulties that we have in the beginning, but yeah. We are here. We are going to talk about healthcare shower systems. I'm Anna Ortiz with Best Bath. I'm an architect myself, and I will go over with this with you. So let's start. We are going to go over who is Best Bath, patient rooms, safety in design, shower solutions, first in design, and Q&A at the end, as we mentioned it before. So let's start again. Who is Best Bath? Best Bath is a family-owned company with 50 years as an industry leader in design and manufacturing showers and shower solutions. We believe that bathrooms can be functional and beautiful and designed for people of all abilities. We are a solution manufacturer. So we want to partner with you and with the customers to design, build, and deliver the best on composite products. We have been in the industry since 1969 with solutions for all people of all abilities, and we want to continue providing the best service, best products, and advocating for safer and cleaning bathrooms. We are located in Boise, Idaho, and we have another facility in Tennessee. And so we cover nationwide we are USA made. Okay, so let's go to patient rooms. So as you all know, hospital room design has a significant impact on patient care and recovery of the patients. The patient relies on a staff to respond on emergencies and situations that they may need that to ensure the full recovery of them. So the design challenges on the patient rooms are the flexibility, experience of the patient on the room. So the flexibility on the rooms, they need a space, they need to allow to fit any type of patient on the rooms, and that allows the hospital to move patients around the hospital without any without any problems to ensure the best for the patient. The patient experience, the room has to be comfortable and calming for the patient and for the visitors as well. Even they're looking more for not the institutional look, more the homey look, the spa kind look that they are looking in the on the hospitals. That have been like with different researchers have been improving the recovery of the patients into the hospitals. And the last but not least, the workflow and safety on the patient rooms. Hospital rooms should be safe spaces in which patients feel well cared and staff can easily provide treatment. These design details not only streamline staff workflows, but can also help improve patient recovery rates and lead the higher patient satisfaction. So the low flow helps the patient safety and dedicated staff members, improving the patient experience on the patient rooms. part of the patient rooms, as you saw on the picture, is the bed, but then is the bathrooms that what we are gonna focus now. What we look on the bathrooms is safety in design and all the challenges that we have on the bathrooms. The patient restrooms face a big design challenge, ensuring that the spaces support healing, comfort, and calm. Bathrooms are also need to provide ease maintenance, infection control, and safety. Bathrooms need to be accessible and comfortable for everyone. Materials and finishes used on healthcare bathrooms specialized for healthcare environments that help with infection controls and bacteria growth, is maintenance and hotel-like or home feel-like aesthetics. So when you see on the bathrooms all the materials and finishes that we have there, we need to ensure that all the materials are especially designed and installed for the bathroom on the healthcare environment that help with infection control, that are not appropriate bacteria growth and the innovation. The innovation is something that we can add to the bathroom to have a safer environment for the patient. So we are a shower manufacturer, as I mentioned it before. And the approach to a healthcare shower will depend on the type of the bathroom or the room that requires. As I mentioned before, flexibility on all the spaces of the patient rooms include the bathroom, and in this case, the shower will contribute to the success of the normal operation of the healthcare facility, as well as the experience of the patient and the recovery process. Best Bath offers a wide range of bathing solutions, from full shower units to just shower pans or walk-in tubs, depending on the needs of the patient and the healthcare facility, the designer vision, and the space of the bathroom. So we have full compartments, all designed code compliant or not, depending on the needs and the location, the patient that is gonna use it, shower pans, shower stalls, walk-in tubs, and all the accessories that you may need to make the shower safer environment for the patient. You can find two different types of showers within Best Bath of the composite products. We have multi-piece units and single-piece units. So on healthcare projects, normally you have a remodeling or new construction. Showers are designed to meet the requirements of the project, flexible and adaptable to each type of project. Multi-piece units usually are used for renovations. This one comes in different configurations, and depending on the size of the shower will be the number of panels for the ease of movement between the job sites. You will have joints, but just the joints between the panels, not all the grout and everything different than the tile. That will be sealed with silicone, so will be the appropriate environment for ease maintenance and not allow bacteria growth. The single piece unit is the perfect unit that you don't have. It's normally used for new constructions. These units are totally sealed. They don't have seams or joints, are non-porous, and are ready to fit the space. Hook the plumbing and just use it. If you need to have accessories for code compliance or just for security and safety of the patients, they will come already factory pre-installed. Another shower feature that you will need to keep in mind when you're talking about the showers in a hospital environment will be the threshold, the drain location, and the rest of the accessories. So threshold, we are talking about threshold. I understand that most of the hospitals require just 10% of the showers ADA compliancy, and the other ones should be just regular curved showers. However, thresholds are the most important part on the patient to enjoy the shower or to go through a shower. Accessibility for them it's the key to understand the safety of the patient in the shower. So code compliant showers, depending on the room requirement, we have the code compliancy or the barrier free, that is more like a zero entry, but with different dimensions that will not meet the code, but you have the accessibility for the patient. Also drain locations, all types of drain locations, the most common, the center drain, but we have end drains, different types of drains as the square drain, rear square drain, or the trench, the very common trench drain, allowing to bring the water all to the trench and avoiding to bring to have water outside of the shower. Accessories are the last part and a very important part, as a grab bar, seats, plumbing, nurse call, everything. We can pre-install all the accessories on the showers. As I mentioned, the showers are manufactured to provide flexibility for the room and for the hospital when it changes the uses or the type of the patient. So all the grab bars and accessories are securely installed anywhere in the unit funding. You don't need to find studs or blocking behind. They will hold by itself because of the reinforcement of the unit. So basically, our showers are engineered for success, and that's one thing that you will need to look on a shower compartment. We want to keep the aesthetics and the design like you're looking for a design. We can meet your requirements, and then you will have the following features on the shower. It's a full integral plywood backing in every stall. So you will have plywood core all over that will allow you to hold all the grab bars, as I mentioned in the slide before, all the accessories against the wall, and you don't need to go to the stalls or blocking. That will help with the flexibility, because if you have one grab bar now, but maybe the code in the future, or you're changing to another type of situation, the patient room, you can remove the grab bar or place it in another part of the shower without thinking that you need to go behind or reinforce the wall or something. It's just the shower that is going to hold itself the bar. Durable composite material for ease maintenance. As I mentioned, it is a gel coat that is not going to have any porous seams. Even if it's a multi-piece, of course, you will have joints, but not seams. And that will allow the ease of maintenance and the security on bacteria growth. Pre-level units, you don't need any mud set or pre-leveling for the unit. They will go straight to the slab, and you don't need that. Allows a very faster installation, a clean installation in the moment of the construction. And the life cycle engineering, design and value, you will have a 30-year warranty on the unit. Everything is engineered to last, for success, to help with the requirements of the hospital. So this is how our showers are built, to give you all these features that I have been mentioned before. So it's a gel coat composite reinforced unit. You will have 5 layers of 5 different layers. It's fiberglass, plywood core, then fiberglass, then the barrier coat, and the finish that is a gel coat. That allows low maintenance, durable finish. It's a high gloss, seamless, leak-proof. You don't have any proof anywhere. You don't need waterproofing around the shower. Multiple surfaces, finishes, and colors. We have all colors that you can imagine in just the solid colors. Plus, we have molten stone that is more similar, like granite style applications that we can match to the aesthetics of the bathroom. we have the ability to customize any unit, even to create a new unit. It will be expensive because it's through molds, but we can go through a small customization to try to fit each need on the hospital. And this form of construction of the shower will allow that you can repair the showers very simple in the field. We provide all the time our resources for repairability, or we can connect with partners for repairs. And the cons is that domes, if you need domes that are not very common, but they're still in the market, they're not going to be seamless. It's like a multi-piece unit that will have a seam or a joint. So there's the Q&A. I don't know if I went too fast, but if you're more than welcome to have questions, and we can go deeper on any topic that you have.
All right, we do have a couple of questions that are coming in. I just want to, again, apologize before we get to the questions. I just want to, again, apologize to everybody for the technical difficulties we had at the beginning. We are recording this for those of you that were late. Just a couple reminders that we'll be submitting this for those of you who provided your AIA number during registration for accreditation next week. And then we'll also email out certificates of completion for those that requested during registration. If you have any questions on that, you can email me. Again, I'm Jenna Beth Ferguson, and my email address is in the chat. If you have any questions for Anna, please put them in the chat. I do see a couple coming in, and I will, or you can use the question and answer feature. And then I will, right now, let's see. First question we have is, how do patient bathrooms ensure the space supports healing, comfort, and safety for patients?
Well, it's because of the design and the materials. If you use the proper materials first, you're not gonna have problems with bacteria growth on the room or on the bathroom. So that's something that is helping. And then the experience of the patient into the bathroom, it's gonna be different than to be in a very institutional look, and that it's gonna feel cold, like loneliness. It's definitely the researchers show that the psyche of the patient on the experience that they are having, it will help with the healing process of the patient.
Great. Let's see. Looking here. Why does the ease of maintenance and infection control matter for managers?
It's very important. The ease of maintenance and the infection control is one thing that in healthcare is basically to assure that there's no contamination between patients. So one patient to the other one using the same room, they will need to clean all the room, including the bathroom. So that's the infection control, that they need ease maintenance because the hospitals are all over, going over and over. If you can see now, one patient is in an emergency room and waiting for availability of rooms to go into the hospital. So they need ease maintenance, but allow the proper materials to the maintenance to control the infection.
We don't have a question so much as a comment. Somebody was talking about the layout and was commenting on that they thought that there was a need for ceiling and exhaust connection. Do you want to address that, Anna?
Well, I'm not sure very well about the exhaust connection, but for sure they need it. I know that in hospitals that I'm not very knowledge about it, but I know that will be important to have it. Not in showers properly as we're talking about it, but that will be something to keep in mind on the design.
Great. We have another question is, do you offer any ligature resistant products for behavioral health facilities?
Yes. Yes, we have a special, well, the shower itself is the same for behavioral, but we have anti-ligature accessories for behavioral health. We have all the material that you can need. You can email me or email Beth Bath. I will share my contact information now in case you need more information, but we have everything, even with the standards for anti-ligature accessories.
I'm going to actually put Anna's email address in the chat for anyone who would like to contact her. Let's see. Let me just see where we are with questions. All right. Next question is, what is the functional design for more universal setting and increasing patient accommodation throughout ADA bathrooms, showers important? Sorry, why is? I apologize.
Well, why? It's because the hospitals need flexibility on the patient user. So they don't need to now, they don't dedicate rooms just for that type of patient. They are moving all patients all around, improving the flow of the patient into the hospital. And that as well is the bathroom. The bathroom has to be flexible for every type of patient, even if it's a bigger size or a smaller, if it's, they need accessibility for a rolling shower or not. That will be a little tricky when you're using it's a renovation hospital because you are limited on space, but you will need to comply the same things.
Excellent. All right, let's see. We've got another question. This one is, how do you deal with shower seats in the behavioral health setting?
I'm sorry that it was breaking up, so I couldn't hear you.
Sorry, how do you deal with shower seats in the behavioral health setting?
Well, that depends because in behavioral settings, you have two types of showers. You have the shower room, and that's everything controlled in the back. Like in the back, the patient doesn't have any access to control anything because of the security of the patient. And then it's the patient room that they can have a shower. All the anti-ligature accessories, even the valve, are pre-installed in the showers. Our showers that are single piece, they don't have, they can pull, they can break, they can do anything that helps with the security of the patient. And then it's the shower room that is a different setting that we don't work in that part. That's more like a whole room controlled from behind by the operators or the nurses.
Excellent. Thank you, Anna. We don't have any other questions that have come in. Is there anything else that you'd like to add for the group today?
Oh, no, thank you so much. I think it was short, but very instructional on about the showers and the healthcare facilities. I'm open to that. If you want to email me or anything, we are open to receive any more questions or to send you more information. I'm here to help. I'm your resource.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Anna, for this afternoon's session. Thank you to all of you who logged in, who stuck with us with the technical difficulties. I will be much happier to see you live in person this fall in Austin, Texas. The 2024 Healthcare Facilities Symposium and Expo will be September 24th to the 26th. If you haven't registered yet, please do so. Beth Bath will be there. And I will be there in person to say hello to you. And thank you again for this afternoon. Have a great day.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day.